I can't add apps on my home screen. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can add apps on your home screen. So as you can see that if I want to add these apps on my home screen, then I can't, and I also can't move these apps on my home screen. Then it says home screen layout is locked. Now I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. To fix this problem, all you have to do, go ahead and open up your mobile settings, and once you're on your mobile settings, now scroll down a little bit and here you'll get home screen. Tap on it, or you can press and hold an empty space on your screen, and then here you'll get settings. At the bottom right corner, tap on settings, and then here you'll get lock home screen layout. Disable this toggle, and now you can add apps on your home screen. And as you can see that right now I can add apps on my home screen, or I can move apps on my home screen. So basically that's how you can fix your problem. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.